The rapid development of artificial intelligence means that this tool becomes available in many areas of our lives, including in BasLinker. BasLinker implemented artificial intelligence so that it could help you with certain activities which were executed manually so far. Have a look at how and in what areas of the BasLinker system we have added artificial intelligence and how you can utilize it. Artificial intelligence shows up in two areas of the BasLinker system. In the products section, so the warehouse, as well as during the creation of a listing. We'll start with the warehouse. Let's move to the Products tab, Product List, and select any product. Here, if you are missing certain information, you don't have the title or description, then you can add this information using artificial intelligence. Let's move to the Descriptions tab. First thing we're going to do is change our title. Let's go here into the Artificial Intelligence settings, AI settings. Let's set the maximum field length to, for example, 80 characters. Here we can also change the style. Let's stick with the advertisement style. We click Save and then Generate Product Name. We have a new name, so now let's generate the shop. Just like with the name, we can select some settings before we generate the text. We can choose the style, the minimum number of paragraphs, whether to allow bullet point lists or formatting to Allegro description, which means matching the description to the Allegro layout. We keep the style to advertisement and click Save. Now let's generate our new watch description. The new description has been generated. We can preview it by clicking on the visual editor. We have a new description here. Of course, if we don't like it, we can generate a new one. We can also generate additional descriptions, 1 and 2. Let's have a look. This time I'll change the AI settings and choose a professional style, but without the bullet points and without Allegro formatting. Now let's generate additional description 1. The description has been added, this time in a slightly different form. We can, of course, check it, generate it again, and when we're happy with it, we can simply save the changes to our product card. We can add the descriptions in several languages. If you have another language added to the BasLinker system, for example, German, then you can also generate this language using AI, which is available within your catalog and is visible within your product card. The next thing that can be done by the artificial intelligence is generating parameters. Let's go into the Parameters tab and into the AI settings right here. Here we have two options to choose from. We can say if we want to or don't want to change the current parameters. How many of these parameters do we want to generate? Let's say from 1 to 5. We don't change the current ones, we click Save and then generate the new parameters. Here we already had a few parameters, but either way the AI system has added some additional ones. We just need to check that these don't repeat. Had we not had any parameters at all, they would simply be added into here. Let's move on to the Photos tab. Here, as you can see, one of the photos doesn't have a white background. With the help of artificial intelligence, we can remove the background from this photo. I click on the scissors icon, cut out the background. The background has been removed, and if we're happy with the result, we click Accept, and now we have a photo with no background. We can also execute all of the already mentioned actions from the product list, so we can do them collectively for many, even several hundred products. All you need to do is select the products, go into Operations, generate text, AI, and choose which field you want to make the changes to. Name, description, additional description 1, or, for example, parameters. Additionally, you can also remove the background from photos. We can remove the background in a selected photo, but only one at a time within one product. When it comes to generating text, here we can change the same settings we had in the product card. Aside from the field, we choose a language, style, and maximum text length. We can also use artificial intelligence when creating a new listing. Let's go into our eBay account, Listings. Select the BasLinker inventory and have a look at the items we want to list. We choose a product and select an eBay region. Right here, we can do a few things. We can Using artificial intelligence, fill in the parameters for this offer. Generate a name as well as generate the description. Just like in the warehouse, before we use the artificial intelligence, we can adjust the text generator settings to our liking.